You won't believe what is about to happen with Shib. The meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has kept on seeing its holder count grow even during the ongoing bear market, to the point now over 1.2 million Ethereum addresses hold Shib, up from around 1 million 8 months ago. Today we're going to talk all about what is going on with Shiba Inu Coin right now, and Shib is going to rise sooner than expected. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 16th of July, shall we? Shiba Inu has been displaying a positive trend recently as the coin gained 29.18% in the last 30 days. The medium-term trend for Shiba Inu has been bearish, with Shib dropping by 60.14% in the last 3 months. The long-term picture for Shiba Inu has been positive, as Shib is currently displaying a 37.53% one-year price change. On this day last year, Shib was trading at 8 millionths of a dollar. Shiba Inu reached its all-time high price on October 28, 2021, when the price of Shib peaked at 88 millionths of a dollar. The current Shib cycle high is 12 millionths of a dollar, while the cycle low is at 7 millionths of a dollar. Shib has been displaying high volatility recently. The 1-month volatility of the coin is at 11.72. Shiba Inu recorded 17 green days in the last 30 days. The sentiment in the Shiba Inu markets is currently bearish, and the Fear and Greed Index is reading extreme fear. The most important support levels to watch are 10 millionths of a dollar and 9 millionths of a dollar, while 11 millionths of a dollar is the key resistance level. 6 indicators are currently signaling a bullish prediction for Shiba Inu, while 21 indicators are showing a bearish forecast. With 78% of indicators favoring a negative prediction, this results in an overall bearish sentiment for Shiba Inu. Now let's get back to the topic. Shiba Inu has kept on seeing its holder count grow even during the ongoing bear market, to the point now over 1.2 million Ethereum addresses hold Shib, up from around 1 million 8 months ago. Back in November of last year, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency saw its number of holders move past the 1 million mark, even as its price started dropping from a bull market that saw it outperform numerous other assets as its community grew. Its new milestone past the 1.2 million holder markets comes as the on-chain transactions volume for Shib dropped to a 15-month low. In April 2022, there were around 213,000 Shib transactions recorded on-chain, down from an all-time high of 1.38 million in October last year. As Crypto Globe reported, that figure has, in June, dropped to 157,889. The transaction drop is in line with the wider cryptocurrency market downturn that has seen the flagship cryptocurrency Bitcoin post its worst quarterly performance in over a decade. In March 2021, Shib saw a transaction volume of 37,000 on-chain, although according to Crypto Compare data, in March of last year, Shib wasn't a well-known token, and its popularity exploded throughout the year. Etherscan data shows that despite the lower transaction volume, the number of wallets holding Shib has kept on growing. As first reported by Gfinity Esports, the cryptocurrency has added around 863 new holders per day since it first hit 1 million, meaning that at its current pace, it would hit 2 million holders in early 2025. It's worth noting that the number of addresses holding Shib does not necessarily correspond to the cryptocurrency's total user numbers, as anyone can create as many addresses as they want to. On the other hand, exchanges and other services custodying users' funds gather the Shib of many in a single address. Shib's total holder numbers kept on growing even as its price remains muted. Over the past 3 months, the cryptocurrency is down over 60%, despite seeing a recovery over the past 30 days. While Shiba Inu's price has been steadily dropping, traders buying and selling the cryptocurrency on the Nasdaq-listed cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase have been buying up more than they've been selling, with 92% of users trading Shib buying and only 8% selling. As Crypto Globe reported, Shib, Polygon, Matic, and Unify are the few altcoins that have been listed on Coinbase in 2021 and 2022 to remain above listing price as of June, according to an analysis conducted by a pseudonymous on-chain analyst. Shiba Inu investors will have to be patient, but eventually global macroeconomic and financial conditions should improve, most economists think. Perhaps global central banks will be in a position to start reducing interest rates, with inflation coming back under control in 2023/2024. When the macro outlook for broader cryptocurrency markets starts to improve, Shiba Inu is likely to be a prime candidate for outperformance. given its aforementioned strong brand and notoriety to rival Dogecoin. The token's short and volatile history makes identifying long-term technical trends difficult, but if recent history is any lesson, SHIB maintains the potential to increase swiftly by more than tenfold in a matter of days, if conditions are right. Many long-term hodlers will be patiently waiting for such a move to occur, perhaps as soon as the end of 2022 or in 2023 if the inflation outlook for central bank policy drastically improves, and for the October 2021 highs to be taken out. However, a return to October 2021 highs suggests a rebound in SHIB's market cap to above $40 billion. In the absence of the Shiba Inu token offering its investors real utility, it's hard to justify why the token's market cap should increase much beyond there between now and 2025. That means that innovation by developers working to expand the Shiba Inu ecosystem in the coming years will be crucially important. Since its launch in July 2021, Shiba Inu's decentralized exchange/decentralized finance platform Shibaswap has mostly failed to gain traction. As of today, the trade value locked TVL on the platform is under $30 million, well below highs above $650 million last November. Developers will need to up their game in order to attract flows back to the platform when the broader DeFi market recovers in the years ahead. One potentially big near-term positive catalyst for SHIB could be the release of the Shiba Inu metaverse later this year. If we talk about Shiba Inu price, a descending channel in white was plotted based on the price action of SHIB since May. The price has made a series of lower highs, however the most recent lower high at 11 millionths of a dollar was broken in late June, when SHIB closed a trading session at 12 millionths of a dollar, which was nearly 8% higher. On one hand, we had a bullish market structure break. On the other was an unbroken descending channel. Which would prevail? In the next week or two, the 94 10 millionths of a dollar level would be important for the bulls to defend. It was a confluence of a long-term support level as well as the channel's midpoint, hence it would likely offer a bounce on a retest. From where she was trading at press time to 11 millionths of a dollar represented an area of resistance from mid-May. If it were flipped to support, SHIB bulls can attempt to buy the coin with some confidence. The Relative Strength Index score broke past the neutral 50 mark a couple of weeks ago and stood at 54 at the time of writing. This hinted at a bullish bias, but neutral momentum in recent days. Similarly, the moving average MACD also crossed above the zero line in June, but has dropped to the zero line over the past week. The AD indicator saw a spike upward in June, but the bulls were unable to press the issue in the past 2 weeks. While strong buying volume led to the bullish market structure break, the bulls have been relatively quiet since then. Momentum was also flat, hence Bitcoin could end up dictating the direction of SHIB in the next week or two. The support zone confluence at 95 10 millionths of a dollar would offer a relatively low-risk buying opportunity upon a retest. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!